So question number 7 asks us to sketch a possible function. So your graphs might look slightly different, but they need to have the same features. So it says here that f of x as it approaches 0 is equal to 0, and it's undefined at 0. That means there is a hole at x equals 0, y equals 0. Looking at the next part, the limit as x approaches 2 from the negative side equals negative infinity. As it approaches 2 from the positive side, it equals positive infinity. So what that indicates together means we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. And not only that, from the left-hand side, it's going down, and from the right-hand side, it's going up. I've been given some coordinates here, in fact, zeros. At x is 3 and x is 7, we have zeros. So it's going to cross the x-axis at those points. We've also been given some kind of more random point here. At x is 4, y is negative 2, somewhere around here. The limit as x goes to negative infinity, f of x is 0, means that we have a horizontal asymptote on the left side. So that's what that indicates. And from the right-hand side, as we go to infinity, it's going to approach a y value of positive 2. So on the right-hand side, we're going to have an asymptote going that way. Okay, so we want to put this all together. So putting this together, I know that I have to follow the asymptote. So I'm going to start with this asymptote. I know it's going to go through that point there, and it's got to some point come down towards this asymptote here. Okay, we don't know exactly how high that's going to go, so it can go way up, we don't know. Okay, so we're just going to draw it like that. So our graph is going to look somewhat like that. Going on the other side of the asymptote, we know that it's pointing up, and then from that point, it's got to come down. It's got to go through our 0. It's got to go through that point. It's got to go through our 0 again, and then it's going to somehow follow that asymptote. And we don't know if it goes up and comes around like that. We have no indication of that. It's possible, but we're just going to draw it from underneath. So our graph is going to look like that, and the different parts we get from this description that was given to us.